Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte. Growing up in Malaysia, I got to enjoy so many different foods from different cultures, especially the kuehs. There's so many different types of kuehs, but my favorite has always been onde onde. What I love about it is the fragrant pandan flavor with a caramelly Gula melaka syrup inside, and it's coated with fresh coconut flakes. So I thought, why not make it into a pancake form? So today I'm going to be sharing with you my pandan pancake recipe with a Gula melaka syrup. I hope you all enjoy this video and let's get into cooking. We're starting off the recipe with some fresh pandan leaves. I'm using 5 large pandan leaves, which is about 118 grams. I'm cleaning the leaves really thoroughly, getting off any dust and dirt on it. Really recommend using fresh pandan leaves because it's going to give your pancakes the best flavor and the best color. So if you can find fresh pandan leaves, that would be great. But if you can't, you can use pandan extract, but it obviously won't taste the same. I'm cleaning the leaves 2 to 3 times with clean water just to make sure all the dirt is off. Using some scissors, I'm cutting the leaves into 1-inch pieces. I'm just using the green part of the leaves. Any yellow parts, we're going to discard them. Place the leaves in a high-speed blender with half a cup of water, as well as 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk. Blend on high for 1 minute. Pour the mixture over a sieve to filter out the fiber from the leaves. Use a spatula to help you push the liquid through the sieve and also to help squeeze out as much liquid from the fiber. Measure out 180 grams of wheat flour, which is about 1.5 cups. To the bowl of flour, we're adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Whisk the dry mixture together to mix all the ingredients. Sieve the dry mixture so that we don't have any lumps in our pancakes. Pour your pandan liquid into the dry mixture. Use a spatula to incorporate the dry and wet mixture together. Once it's incorporated, I'm using a whisk to smooth out the batter. I'm just whisking it for about 10 seconds. Try not to over whisk this because this will make your pancakes less fluffy. Using a non-stick pan, heat it over low heat. I'm pouring in a 1/4 cup of pancake batter. I'm just making a small sized pancake. You can make whatever size you'd like. I'm using the back of the cup just to smooth out the surface of the pancake. You'll know when the other side of the pancake is done, when it starts getting bubbly on the top, and also the bottom part of the pancake turns a little bit of a darker green. We're going to flip the pancake really quick, and there you go, nice and fluffy, and I love the color of this pancake. Now we're going to make our Gula melaka syrup. If you can't find Gula melaka, you can use coconut sugar. It tastes pretty much the same. So in a pot in low heat, we're going to add equal parts of sugar and water. We're going to stir this mixture constantly, and we want this mixture to reduce in half. Keep the heat on low, and you just have to be patient with this. This will take 5 to 10 minutes. The time also depends on how thick you want your syrup to be. Maybe you want your syrup to be a maple syrup consistency, or maybe you want it thicker, so this is all up to your liking. I sprinkled on some fresh coconut flakes on my pancakes. And now it's time to drizzle on our Gula melaka syrup. I'm dipping it in more Gula melaka sugar. I'm really sorry that the footage is out of focus. I did not refilm a taste test because I wouldn't get a genuine reaction. It definitely tastes like onde in a pancake form. And these pancakes are also oil free, which is great. It's so good. The pandan flavor is just right. It's not too strong. It's such a beautiful color. You don't need any artificial coloring. I'm going to enjoy my pancakes. I hope you enjoyed watching. I had a lot of fun making this recipe. Like this video if you enjoyed this recipe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.